for people. When you planted trees in other people's yards, what kind of agreement did we make? Right off the bat, it was just a, hey, can I plant trees in your backyard? They're like, hey, sure. It was just a handshake, nothing too serious. And I would keep in touch, call them, text them. They're close by, I would stop by. These are all mostly retired people or people that I knew, or friends from school or other places that I worked at. I just kind of started meeting people out about. I'm very social, I'm an extrovert. I go out there and I'm meeting with people, and I started, but it's really just a handshake. And it's more recently now that we're forming the real solid relationships that are going to take this co-op to the next level, because some of those locations that I've mentioned, like those 300 locations, not everybody wants to be a part of the co-op in a sense. Like, they're more absentee owners, and they really were just interested in helping me out at the time. And they have these trees, and sometimes they're asking me to come by and completely take these trees out of the ground, and that's fine because they did me a favor. And at the time, I asked them if I could plant a tree in their yard, and they're like, for what? And I was like, well, for food. I want to grow food. And they were like, well, you know what? If it gets too big or whatever, we're going to have to get it out, but you can do it for now. And that's what we've been doing. And it's really just been handshake. We did sign several contracts that we care for the trees. It's just kind of like a one-page, like, co-op member, like a tentative member. There hasn't been really any money exchange just yet. We've really just been providing products in return for the harvest. So we'll go to the location. They say, hey, can we get some capsules for the harvest? Absolutely. So we'll trade capsules, and they give us the raw material. Or they want powder, so we'll give them powder, and then we harvest their tree and we'll get the material. So then we can make more powder, so then we can make more capsules. And it's really just been kind of like kind of loose so far. It's just been, you know, sometimes we'll get somebody say, hey, I don't want you to come back anymore. I pulled the tree out, don't come back. Okay, no problem. There's 50 more people right behind that person that want to actually do something with the moringa. And it was just, I was taking a long shot. I was just taking a chance with a lot of the people in the co-op. And I'm learning every single year. I call them up, and they're actually calling me like, hey, Kendrick, my trees are actually getting really big right now, and I've been watching your videos. I'm seeing how passionate you are about it.